I'm talking about how you can basically copy paste ideas and you can actually make money online with the help of that, and you can actually use free websites for that. Now let's understand this thing, that if you want to do that, it's pretty much easy to be true. For that, we need to come on to Google, YouTube. You can see on YouTube we can see the 10 trending section, and then we can go on to the shorts, and you can see this type of shorts are like really popular right now. All these shorts are really popular and famous. Now you can see all this type of shorts, but here's the thing. Now how you can actually do things like this, you can see 2.6. so basically what we're going to be doing is that we need to go on here, and after that we need to choose stocks. Okay, that means what, we need to choose some stock footages or shorts, whatever you want to choose. For example, the first thing is to choose a niche. So we are here in trending section right now, and we can see that what is the type of shorts that are trending right now. So you can see that LeBron would be proud, a college student host inconvenience, and 100 grilled cheese for people in need. So basically all these type of shorts are really famous. So if we want to do it on NBA, for example, so we write hashtag NBA. Okay, so we just write NBA shorts, and we just write here NBA shorts if you want to make it on NBA. So right now we click on to NBA, or we can go on to the filter and go on to the Creative Commons if you want. If we do that, then you will be able to see that these are like Creative Commons ones that you can actually use. Okay, so now the main thing is, here you can see all type of things. Now if we just remove the thing, if we want to do it like this, then we can choose these shorts really easily. Now what we need to do is very simple. We need to click onto the short, and after that we will be able to see the short real easily. And now you can see that this is the NBA game that is being played, and then you need to click on to share, and then you can actually copy the link. And you can do another thing, that is you can write up here, you can basically write PI up here on after YouTube, YouTubepi.com, and then you'll be able to download it real easily. Now you can see that these shorts get actual some great amount of views. How much views? Like 6.9 million on 9 months, 784. Okay, so if we filter it down with the help of this week, then we will be able to see that how much these has got. Like jump shot, this is a jump shot shorts that you can actually take inspiration from. So we can go up here and we can see that this is all about hoops only, right? So that means it about jump shot shorts. So you can see it's all about mostly NBA, which is pretty much good to be true. Now what you need to do is very simple. You need to download these shorts, and after that you need to go on to this place, which is known as ebay.com. so we are using this copy paste way, so we are going to be plain copy and paste it. Okay, so you can simply go up here and you can simply do another thing, and that is, for example, if you want to watch this one, then you can simply watch it, and I'm going to be doing it in a real easy way, so that if I write YouTubepi.com, then you'll be able to see that we can simply go up there and it will be downloading us for real easily. Okay, so if we just do that, it will be, we are going to be getting the YouTube downloader real easily with the help of that. Now we need to go on to ebay.com right now. So whenever we go on to ebay.com, you can see there are different categories like electronics, fashion, health, and sports, right? So if we go on to sports, we will be able to see that if we just write about basketballs, okay, so we can choose from all the topics that we have, right? So if we want to choose from cycling, fitness, we can choose the way that we want. If we want basketball, then we can actually use basketball. Now whenever we come in here, you can see that there are so many awesome things like these cards. This thing, $189. You can see this is our main Adidas Easy Boost. Okay, so if you want to sell this, you can actually sell this for like $189, and you do not have to buy it or do anything of that like that. What you need to do is very simple. You need to paste links. How? By using this is a eBay partner network. That is, you can earn money by whenever you promote the copy paste things, and then you'll be getting sales across with the help of world's largest, more diverse marketplace. So you can simply sign up for free basically, and after that you can actually get rewards like this. Now, how much money you're going to be making? Really simple. So you can see that for parts and accessories you're going to be getting 70%, for fashion 70%, for lifestyle 60%, for business, media, vehicles, and more of that you can actually sell. So if you want to sell things like this one, fashion, so you can actually sell for it's like 70%. Okay, so if you go on to this one, and if you go on to the category, and if we choose the fashion one, then we can choose the accessories for men and women, right? So if we go up there, this is for fashion, for accessories for men, or clothes for men. So if we choose clothes for men, then we can choose the different type of, you can see the active wear. So these are the things that we can actually choose from that are gonna be really awesome. So whenever you sell actually all of that, whenever you recommend all of that, then you can actually make 70% of the commission like this. And how much you're going to be making? It's really simple. If we go on to the calculator, okay, so if we go on to the calculator, then we'll be able to see that, for example, this is making like 61k, 20k, 35k. And if we go on to the most popular ones, we will be able to see that these are getting in billions, right? So you can see 3 strange NBA rules, 5.9 billion views. So basically, if you get like 100,000 people, okay, or 10,000 people clicking in for a $5 t-shirt, then you are going to be making like $50,000 per month with the help of that. And that is not pretty much tough to be true, because what you need to do is very simple. You need to copy and paste these things, and you can actually make money with the help of that. And you're not going to be making money with the help of YouTube partner program, but you're going to be making with the help of the thing that is known as affiliate marketing. Now if we just go up here, and then you'll be able to see basketball men shoes, okay, so you can see Jordan, this is for $40.91. that means $40. It's for $40. You can see all of these things. This is pretty much awesome to be true. So all this fall under what? All this fall under fashion, and you're going to be making 70% commissions with the help of that.